Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Anissa, and in this time I will present about the structure of the article. There are 7 articles with theme of mathematics learning media. Article 1, the design and development of Android-based puzzle games mathematics learning media. Written by Saimatun Niswati, Ari Irawan, Syamsiah, Katarina Febrianti, Gita Kencanawati, and Itzar Bolorangka. Research problem: learning mathematics by elementary school students is very important and helps in introducing many concepts to them. In reality, students need more contextual learning than abstract ones. For this reason, there is need for interactive learning tools to assist develop students' ability to understand the subject in better way. Games that improve the ability of elementary school students to learn abstract things is needed more now, so it is necessary to develop games that support learning process and make it more meaningful. Research result: the comparisons done on previous research provides that with games, learning that was originally abstract, especially in plain objects, are easier to understand. Games and technology are two combinations in optimizing the implementation of learning carried out in class, making it more attractive to students and improve their understanding. Next, conclusions. This study concludes that there is a need for improvements in the subject or educational contents on introductions to the plants in the elementary school curriculum. It is our hope that puzzle games will be more useful in plain geometry subject and improve the quality of learning for elementary school students. Articles 2, with title How to Develop Primary School Mathematics Learning Media, written by Karlima. Research problem: creating abstract, structured, and systematic mathematics learning in elementary school. Student requires the right method so that students can obtain the mathematical knowledge and skills that they can utilize in mathematics learning at a later stage and in daily life. Everything they learn will be understood easily if they are assisted by manipulative visualization, which is a medium that provides meaningful learning experience. Development of mathematics learning media is needed in order to obtain representative mathematics learning media, so students can learn mathematical concepts and procedures correctly, easily, interestingly, and fun. Research result: there were 6 topics and mathematics learning media identified as difficult to be learned, namely place value, multiplications, fractions, LCM, GCF, and decimal fractions. Based on the learning media used in the mathematics learning topics so by PGSD students, several aspects that must be improved regarding physical aspect and benefits were identified. Judging from the learning outcomes measured from the pre-test and post-test, there was a significant change in score. The score saw better than those who do not use the media. Responses from teacher and student that the media used has an attractive and easy way for teachers to provide facilities and motivation to learn. Next, conclusions. Based on the result of the analysis, it can be concluded that designing and developing elementary mathematics learning media requires system work based on aspects of the physical form and benefits of the media. Findings of flaws in the physical forms and benefits of media become the focus of development. Aspects and indicators of the development were elements that must be improved or developed. The feasibility of the media to be used in facilitating students' learning must also pass the test of experts and teachers who want to realize a meaningful learning atmosphere, as well as learning outcomes of students who use the media demonstrated better scores. Article 3, with title Development of Learning Media in Mathematics for Students with Special Needs, written by Lola Vita Harahap and Edi Surya. Research problem: Mang Unsong states that children with special needs or extraordinary children is a child who deviates from the average normal children in terms of mental traits, abilities of sensory, physical and neuromuscular, social and emotional behavior, communication skill, as well as combinations of two or more of the above matters, as far as he or she requires modification of school texts, methods of learning, or other related service aimed to develop him or her full potential or capacity. In order for students with special needs can learn math, then there needs to be a way of interactions that meet their special needs in learning. Research result: based on the data on the result of testing of the product of learning media by experts of the material turned out to be the product are valid and can be tested to assess their feasibility in the learning process. The results showed that the media developed are qualified to be feasible and also qualified for use as learning media for the subject of spatial structures. Based on data obtained can be interpreted that the reviewer of media mentions that by the learning aspect, the media belong into the category of excellent, that is 93.33%, and by aspect of the appearance, the media belong into the category of good, that is 82%. While the third aspect, namely by the technical quality and the effectiveness, the media expressed belong into the category of excellence, that is 82.22%. Conclusions. First conclusions: development of the learning media using the method of research and development by the ADDEA development model has been studied. The model was initiated by a wide range of analysis, namely analysis of the market, analysis of the users, analysis of materials or curriculum, analysis of the program, the analysis of the means through observation and interview with teachers and students. Second conclusions: after analysis, the material is developed regarding the spatial structures. Through the data obtained can be interpreted that the reviewer of media mentioned that by aspect of media, the learning has a very good category of 93.33%. From the aspect of media appearance, is known that 82% belong to the category of good. Whereas by third aspect relating to the technical quality and effectiveness, is known that 82.22% belong to the category of excellence. Next, Article 4, with title Development of Mathematics Learning Media Using STEM Approach on Linear Programming Material. Research problem: STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics is a learning approach combined for disciplines that are interrelated with each other. The development of 21st century cannot be separated from the use of technology, information, and communication in all aspects of life. In line with this, teachers also had not utilized technology such as mobile learning and linear programming learning, which results in a lack of motivation to learn. Research result: the data obtained shown that mathematics learning media with STEM approach on the linear programming materials meet the criteria. The validity of learning media based on the assessment of education expert was 86% with very valid category, and assessment of media expert was 86% with very valid category in the formative evaluation stage, namely the expert review stage. The practicality of learning media based on the assessment of formative evaluation stage, such as one-to-one stage and small group stage, received the assessment of 94% with very practical category. The potential effects of learning media was seen from student response to learning media in the formative evaluation stage, namely the field test take, which obtained an assessment of 95% with a very effective category. Next, conclusions. Mathematics learning media using STEM approach, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics on linear programming material developed with the smart development procedure obtained scores that fall into the feasible category to be used as learning media on the mathematics learning process. It was because it satisfied the indicators of validity, practicality, and potential effects. Next, Article 5, we title the feasibility of an Android-based pocketbook as mathematics learning media in senior high school. Research problem: learning media is a tool to deliver the materials to students during teaching and learning process and used as a source of learning like textbooks. However, textbooks are sometimes considered less practical and boring. The innovation to follow the technology advancement is undeniably needed. Nowadays, students are very creative using smartphones. The student creativity should be supported for better learning. One of the efforts is making use of a smartphone or mobile technology as a learning media. Research result: trigonometry app, the final product of this study, is in the form of a pocketbook applications that can be installed in Android-based smartphones. This application is a learning media that contains materials, video, and exercise questions. The materials in this application cannot be added directly. If users want to add some materials, they have to unpack this application and re-edit the program. The learning media was validated by 6 experts and tested by 95 respondents. The results show that the learning media meet the valid criteria with kappa value range from 0.562 to 0.843. The learning media was also considered practical based on the responses from the user. 86.32% of the users that the learning media was excellent and best imaginable. Therefore, the learning media is declared valid and practical to use in the classroom. It is necessary to conduct further research to investigate the use of the media in the classroom and its impacts on students' learning and teaching practice. Conclusions: the learning media, the trigonometry app, developed in this study has a very good quality based on the validation from the expert. The subject validation obtained 4.51 and the media validation obtained 5.26 for the total average. These findings indicate that the validity of the learning media was considered very good. Furthermore, the result of the practicality of the learning media show that 86.32% of respondents believe the learning media is excellent and best imaginable. Therefore, the learning media in the form of the Android-based pocketbook is declared valid and practical. It is recommended for future research to apply the trigonometry app in the learning process and investigate its effects on students' learning and teaching practice. Article 6. Development of comics mathematics learning media based on contextual approach. Written by Erdawati Nurdin, Indah Yuni Saputri, and Anissa Kurniati. Research problem: development of teaching materials or instructional media that are tailored to the characteristics of students is considered important at this time. A contextual approach is a learning concept that links materials to real-world situations, and students are encouraged to connect their knowledge with applications in everyday life. Thus, learning becomes more productive because students are required to actively find their own understanding based on the experience they have experienced. Research result: learning using contextual-based comic is given to students of class 8.4 Junior High School 20 Pekanbaru, amounting to 26 people. After students get the material on the flat side space presented in the form of the comics, students are given a questionnaire to see student responses to the practicality of using this contextual-based comic. The result of contextual-based comic practically test can be seen. The average percentage of students' responses was 93.86%. So, contextual-based comics are considered practical to be used to build flat-side space. Next, conclusions. Development of teaching materials or learning media that encourage students to actively instruct their own experiences need to be developed as an effort to improve student mathematics learning outcomes. Research and development with ADDEE stage aim to produce valid and practical learning media. Based on the result of research and data analysis, it can be concluded that comics based on the contextual approach have been valid and are practically used. This contextual approach-based comic can be used as one of the learning media for material to build flat-side space. This research can be continued to examine the effectiveness of using contextual media-based comics. Article 7 with title Computer-Based Learning Media for Teaching Transformation Topic at Mathematics Class of Senior High School. Written by Rais Sabri, Yeni Taruza, and Sakur. Research problem: mathematics is one of the subjects in which there are many abstract concepts. Is difficult to explain directly to the students, where a tool is needed in explaining the abstract concept. Utilization of instructional media can also provide variation in the learning process that has been mostly using conventional methods in the learning process, as well as with the utilization of this learning media can maximize the learning time. Material transformation is one material that contains abstract concepts and has many picture presentation, especially Cartesian coordinates, which is in the process of drawing there are fields or dots that change the position or size. Research result: developed learning media is considered to meet the criteria very valid. Based on the result of testing learning media in small group and large group, it can be seen that the media that have been developed to score 98.89% for small group and 99.17% to large group, with very practical criteria based on the response of students. The questionnaire result for each educator is over 90%. This indicates that the media that has been developed can be used by students who have heterogeneous capabilities. Next, conclusions. The development research conducted is the development of computer-based interactive learning media on the transformation in class 9 Senior High School. Based on the validation and testing that has been done, it can be concluded that the learning media that has been developed is declared valid and meet the practical requirements for use by students of class 9. The medium was developed to facilitate the study and understanding of transformation concept, especially on the visualization of the transformation process. This media also become one of the variations of learning process that can be utilized by teachers to make learning process more interesting and efficient in studying material of class 9 transformation. Thank you. Okay, that was a little bit about the structure of the articles. Thank you and goodbye.